Pritpal Singh, a story about an Olympic champion who won a gold, silver and a bronze. It's also a story of a man who took on authority for what he felt was right. It's also the story of a man who was gunned down in front of the Vice Chancellor's office with more than 45 eyewitnesses. None of them testified. Played brilliantly by Vikas Kumar, for whom this is a debut, he has brought Pritpal alive on screen. Vikas feels it is a compelling story that must be shared. The film is in theatres on October 30th.
It's a little unfortunate that not much is known about a great player like Pritpal Singh, an Arjuna awardee. Padam Shri won 3 medals at the Olympics, a bronze, a silver, a gold. Even when the role was offered to me, I didn't know much. I didn't know anything about him, in fact. I went onto the net, there's not much available. So for the film, I relied totally on the script. Sandeep Mishra was always there for help. So yeah, the script lives every important aspect of his life, and I think that was enough. That was enough to depict those high points in his life in the film.
Powered by NNIS.